This week marks the 1-year anniversary of my first YouTube video. What started off as a build log to document my White Fox build has now turned into something much more. I've done review videos, meetup videos, build party videos, and a few in between. I've spent many hours editing and a lot of money upgrading gear, buying keyboards, and traveling. Sometimes I've asked, is this really worth it? The adventure hasn't been without difficulty. I've had a computer die on me, a hard drive with footage cease to function, and I've even had a tripod break. Doing this has definitely eaten up a lot of the free time and sleep I used to have. But the good does outweigh the bad. I got interested in keyboards sometime around 2014, but until the beginning of 2017, my community involvement was limited to just random messages on GeekHack and lurking on Reddit and Destorly. In an effort to learn more about keyboards, I've managed to get to know a lot of people in the Seattle community. I may sound really biased when saying this, but I believe that the Seattle community is one of the most generous and kindest keyboard communities around. Thank you guys for all the support you've given me. Since I started, my channel has grown to over 70 videos and over 1,000 subscribers. It may sound cliche to say, I didn't expect that, but I really didn't. It's been overwhelming, the amount of support I've gotten. I'm just a guy on the internet spouting opinions about keyboards. I'm hardly an expert. I don't have a massive collection of high-end Korean keyboards. In fact, most of the keyboards I possess are thanks to generous contributions from sponsors. So thank you all for supporting me. I appreciate the comments, the questions, the suggestions. They're all very valuable, so keep them coming. Thank you so much for subscribing. I do this channel because I love doing video work, but seriously, every time I get one more subscription, it just adds more fuel and makes me want to do more. I really can't say this enough, but thank you all so very much. Thank you to all my sponsors who have sent me keyboards this past year, from a company less than 10 miles away to companies all the way in Asia. Thank you so much for believing in me and supporting this little channel of mine. Thank you very much to my lovely wife. Thanks for being so incredibly patient and just always supporting me in this hobby and with this channel. And last but not the least, thank you to you for watching to the end of this video. In celebration of the McMerlin 1-year anniversary, I'm giving away a 60% keyboard kit. It's a DZ60 USB-C PCB, a brass plate, and a heavy aluminum case. All you need to do is get stabilizers, switches, and program the DZ60 as you see fit. So here's to an awesome 2018 and another year of McMerlin. Look forward to more great content and a few surprises here and there. Stay cool and keep clacking.